Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025. Future-ready setup for Bueller's Biscuit Business and Nordic Organization.
Aztec Academy. Food is our future, shaping with knowledge, building with innovation.
Tech Pro, pioneering precision in agricultural testing.
Palm oil industry performance in 2023 and prospects for 2024.
Hip Market, navigating the future.
Oilseed market, nurturing growth opportunities amidst shifting agricultural landscapes.
POW and IRRI will join forces for improved rice research and innovation.
Unprecedented agricultural success on Saline land in Satkhira.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025 exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. BIV Select China 2024 media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.